I did my nails myself. And my other glasses broke. I have to go. I'm gonna have to get one from Shein because that's my favorite glasses. My favorite shades. So I am going. Yeah, I'll see when I get there. How you girl looking today? Back here where I was last week. Because honestly, we was over there last time. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show. Now I feel like you is your way. But we don't really want it. I just wanna get away. And stay right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you It's 4 o'clock. Oh, look at the duck. Is that a, oh, what's that? I don't even know if that's a duck or what.
I do not stand those things.
I don't know what that is. What is that? Is that a duck?
Huh?
What is it?
It's a geese.
It's like, oh, okay. I don't know what it was.
They're down there. There's ducks here too. They're all over.
Oh,
Since
okay.
the pandemic, they've been coming back. Thank God.
Oh. I was like, what is that? Oh. Hey. That's the only one I see coming from over there. It's Lackawanna. What's that? It looks like a duck. You know, some of these animals look the same, but they got different names. So, like over there, some people over there in a boat. I want to do this, but I'm scared. This? I can't swim. Gotta be in there with somebody that can swim. They're doing a lot of construction over here.
Geographic element.
Yep. Like, I can't believe this was my plan to come here and I end up over there in Little Island last week. Like, this is where I was supposed to be at. And I don't know how I forgot to come over here. Wait, I'm big. Tour bus. Top view NYC. So this is, I'm at Pier 51. I got a kids playground over here. You can bring the kiddies out. That's too big for Kamani. I can't bring Kamani here. I mean, I can, but he's too big to play on that. But that's what I'm trying to say. Oh my God, this view. This view. They got a restroom. Let me see this view though. Should be on that side. But damn, look at this.
eating, chilling. Oh, they got water. Hold on, I'm some water stuff. My mouth dry. They got water here. There's some water. Water. That one's dirty. Oh, they're both dirty. Oh, my hair getting wet. Oh, that would have cold and nice too. I'll come back.
What happens is that when you get used to it, it might be over for like dinner or something.
Chilling.
What the fuck do I care? And then it's like, oh.
All I have to give. You play me for They. Oh, y'all see the Statue of Liberty? I'm right by the Statue of Liberty. Y'all see it? Hold on. Can I zoom in? The bush just missed it. Where they? Where they gone? Oh, right behind the tree. Where they? Let me stop. Hold on. You can see to the right, somewhere behind these trees right here. I'm gonna say I'm gonna give y'all a closer look, a closer view. Got these big rocks. Oh, it's chilling. These rocks. I need to go to Target. I need to go to Trader Joe's. Oh yeah, I definitely passed this thing. Yeah. It's a Hudson. Yeah, we passed the Hudson Road. Yes, we did. Oh, that's probably that boat right there. Look at this. Somebody's speeding right here. Oh! You gonna hold your dog or not? That's a big ass dog. They having fun. I don't think I want you to go that fast if I was in there. But then again, I'll probably get used to it. I don't know. I do not know. See a white picture face over there. Let's see. I'm trying to give y'all a view. Alright, I'll come back to y'all when I reach closer to where I'm going. I stay without wind, I can roll without oars, but I cannot hold nothing without tears. I got over there chilling, that bright ass green. I don't know what that is, but she chilling. She is comfortable. Got a chair you can sit down and just get a nice view of this place. It's so nice. Everybody got their dogs out.
I didn't even get to sit in it yet.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, I thought that looked bad. But the view is everything. Over here working out, getting it in. I need to go do that too. Over this side. I think I'm in the wrong. Oh.
Dude, I don't like it. So inflated. I like it.
Can't really see it, but in front of it, Oh. A food area over here. Oh, I've been walking for a while. I don't even know how long I've been walking for. But they got food over here. Like a bar. Nice. Okay, so maybe the park I'm looking for, I think it has to be up by the little island because yeah, I see I walk far enough. Like, you know, other park down here. So I'm gonna take my ass back up that way. That's a long walk. Oh Lord. It's a long ass Hudson River here. I think that's it. This is a tour. People over there. Oh, they go to ducks. The duckies. Okay, we come to the end of the road. I am not walking any further. That's it. I'm at Pier 46 and I'm supposed to be at Pier 57, so it's definitely up that way. Look at that! Look at this big ass boat coming right here. And the big white boat and stuff. It's moving, but it's moving very slow. That is so nice. That is huge. And for safety, they got cameras in here, as they should. This boat is so pretty and nice. I was trying to show y'all earlier. People, kids on my thing. There you go. These dogs.
Friends, girlfriends, no one's family.
The edge is right there. People's actually standing up on that, the edge part that's out. I want to go there. I really want to go there one day, but I'm actually scared. But I am gonna go. See how it is. Now I know where to go. This is exactly where I was last week too, and I forgot to look at that park area they were talking about. They got some white stuff on the grass, but I didn't see that. I guess I was on the wrong side, but I can find it right now. Hella crowded. I think I gotta go up there. I can't find him. I look for. I was he's on that side. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm going up there. I don't know. Over there is what I'm talking about. Everywhere I go, I see the edge. This view. Let me go all the way up. Let me see if we're chilling. That's what I was looking for.
Going a pier.
I don't know what's that over there. That green thing. There's a lot of people over there too. Interesting. Now that looks familiar. Oh, I know where I'm at. I like. I don't walk all the way down there, come around to get over there. But I'm gonna do it because I want to. Oh, he about to walk down the blocks up. I'm not taking a picture though. Nah, I'm gonna take this trail and go over there. It's nice out here. Oh, I'm about to say, I thought I was going the wrong way. I don't got time. I don't got time. I'm gonna sit on that steps for a little bit and then take my butt home. I mean, do what I gotta do. Look at the. Oh, that shit will make you dizzy. Let's sit over here. I got another one over there. Another spinny thing. Oh, what do you call it? I don't know what you call those. Patterns? I don't know. Ooh. I should never did that. She gave me a headache. Oh, here it is. Let's probably sit. I'm gonna sit right here. Look at the view. It's a nice view. Like a it's not even making no sound. It's a control room. But I'm out now. Gotta go to Target, gotta go to Trader Joe's, so taking my ass home. That's 14. Okay, I'm going to 16th Street and walk. Because I saw something that I want to take a picture of. Oh yeah, so this is Pier 57. So if y'all want to come here, it's at West 14th Street, 11th Avenue. That's where it is. I took the A train to 14th Street. But put in your own address. Just look for Pier 57 on Google. And you see how to get here from your location, okay? It's freaking cold. I'm gonna cross the street before, because I gotta go on that side. They say it's a Statue of Liberty on the eye line, which is this long black thing right here. So it's on top of it. How do they get up there? I'm not trying to go up there, but I was trying to see the Statue of Liberty. I'm not trying to find this thing. So it's at 16th Street. So let me go to 16th Street, which is the next block. Oh, so my time to cross. Let's go. Ooh, this blue car is nice. Yes. The blue for me. Okay, drop top. I see you. I know Homer. Oh, let's. Yeah, this was the old area. Yeah. Time to walk. Okay. Time to walk. How do I reach up there? How y'all get up there? Oh, there he goes. I see it. I found it. I found the Statue of Liberty. Listen, all my life in New York City, I swear, it's I never be coming to the city to do sightseeing. I don't know why. Oh wait, how do I go up there? I need to go up there. Why look? Oh, that's the one they're talking about. Well, now let's see where you go. Oh, all right. I'm trying to see if I can go up there and get a better view because you better slow your ass down. So I gotta walk right here. Better slow your ass down. I don't know. I think you go up there from that way. I think. I don't know. I don't know how you go up there. But it's right here. It's a better view. It's the best view I can give y'all. I'm not going all the way up there. I don't know what kind of face that is, but yeah. I practiced the other day. I didn't even know it was an Apple store. Look how fancy it is inside. Fancy.